I bring the bass.
So guys, we are at Supersonic 2014 and right now with us we have some guys from Ahmedabad. Hi guys! Hi! Okay, how is it doing? How is it doing, bhai?
We're doing great. We're going great.
Okay, Supersonic 2014, the first day. What was the feeling and how do you feel?
Amazing. It's very good, very good.
Okay, पहली बार?
पहली बार.
And okay, day one, आपके कोई जहाँ पे आप जिसको फॉलो करते हैं डीजे कोई है जिसको पसंद करते हैं?
Dylan Francis.
Okay, and you enjoyed till now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And even above and beyond.
Okay, above and beyond for the last day, I think so. Okay, so what was the feeling while you came in Goa for the first time?
Yeah, first time.
And how was Goa?
Very beautiful, very pretty.
And what do you think? Remaining 4 days और भी बाकी है 4 दिन. क्या होगा इस फेस्टिवल में और क्या आप चारों दिन आने वाले या पहले दिन ही?
चारों दिन आने वाले.
चारों दिन.
बहुत मस्ती मारेंगे.
Right now with us we have some guys from Goa. What's your name?
Pushpa.
Pushpa.
Rupesh.
Rupesh.
Aliston.
Wow, Alison. Pushpa, Rupesh, Alison. Wow. Okay, Rupesh, तुका चढ मजा येता हांगासर खूप फेस्टिवलाक. पहिले फावटी येयला बीन काय?
ना. Every year येता हांव.
एवरी इयर येता.
Same partners. Both.
कितली वर्ष फाटली कितली वर्ष येता?
आता हे सेकंड टाइम मरे.
हा?
हे सेकंड टाइम मरे.
तू फाटली कितली वर्ष येता पूण?
फाटली हांव सनमला वयतालो.
सांगा ना.
हांगा ना हे फक्त सुपर सेकंड टाइम मरे हांव.
Second time. So you are enjoying this?
Of course, why not?
Day one.
ते वाले कंटिन्यू पुश.
खयचो DJ तुझो सगळ्यात फेवरेट? Which DJ is playing today, you know?
My DJ
The music, that's it. We are here to enjoy the music, that's it.
Okay, you like the music.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so आणि 4 दिवस उरले येतलो तू?
एव्हरी डे.
Every day.
येवपाचा.
So पहिलो दीस एन्जॉय कर अजून पर्यंत.
होय.
Enjoying a lot. So तिगूच जाण आसा गाणीक आसा तुझे फ्रेंड?
सॉरी.
तिगूच जाण आसा गाणीक चड फ्रेंड आसा.
आता येवपाचे वाटेर लागले कामाक गेल्ले न्हू.
Best of luck, enjoy a lot, and thank you very much for talking with us. Thank you guys, thank you. Supersonic, thank you so much. One more time, here we go!
हे भाई
Supersonic, please make some noise for the fabulous Hook and Sleep! Okay, if you're on your outside, come. Are you ready? I know you are. Come on, let me hear you make some noise if you're ready. And so it is. Brothers and sisters, whoever you are, wherever you're from, put your hands up and please welcome the mighty Funk Agenda!